happened to you? Why are you pacing in my room as if I owe you money?
Bruh, I'm finished. I'm done. Life is tough, bro. Like, finish. I applied to 37 jobs. Even check and say I'm overqualified. Me? Overqualified? For baking bananas?
Well, maybe there's all your face and say, nah, we can't let the bananas feel ugly. You feel me?
Look at this dude.
I'm serious, bro. The economy is crashing. My crush just ghosted me. And my DSTV subscription is on vacation. Even the Wi-Fi is buffering like it's emotional.
Hey, shame, my boy. So you're telling me that you're out here crying like a Woolies tomato that missed the salad?
Everything is falling apart, Buzz. Everything is falling apart. My life feels like one of those broken trolleys at Pick and Pay. No direction, always making noise, and everyone just avoid me.
Baby boy, you acting like your ancestors sent you SMS saying, we're disappointed.
At this point, I must just accept I'm a failure. Like, maybe I was born to suffer in HD, bro.
Born to suffer? Baby boy, you weren't born to suffer. You were just born to complain. See, you treat struggle like it's your girlfriend. You cuddle it every night.
Damn!
Ladies and gents, presenting the man who gave up before trying. The legend who types cover letters like his breakup notes.
70 years old man.
Buzz, please, bro. Not now, bro. Please, I'm begging you. Not now. Please, bro.
Let's clap for you. Your CV has more lies than a guy at Groove. Baby boy, you cried because Nando's was out of Perinase.
Bro, I was hungry.
Exactly. You are always hungry for food, not success.
At least I don't dress like a street performer who got lost in a Cassie TikTok challenge. And you?
You dress like a pothole, always in the hole. People avoid you.
That's a bar.
You look like you bathed with Vaseline.
And you look like you still call your mom when the kettle make weird noise.
You look like a failed rapper called Lil NF Sass.
Your dreams went to load shedding. Listen, baby boy, I know things are hard. South African economy is doing backflip. But giving up? Nah. You can't be soft. You think our parents had Wi-Fi? No, sir. They survived with hope, prayer, and a cheap peanut butter.
You're right, bro. But it's tough.
Of course it's tough, baby boy. That's why we laugh, we hustle, we move on. You see, even if life throws you pap with no sauce, you eat that pap, smile, and say, nice, ne?
So what must I do?
Wake up, try again, update your CV, and if that fails, become a DJ. That always works in this country.
Yo, I knew you were gonna say something useless like that at the end.
It's not useless, DJ True Scotty with silent beats. Ah, yeah. Now get off my room, I need some space for my success.
It is what it is.
It is what it is.